I can make Flash in gacha online. The hair might be hard, but trust me, I think I forgot. I gotta search. Oh wait. Nah, I'm good. Front hair. It's either two of these. It's either two of those. It depends because they look the same, so it depends on rather if you guys want to choose it. Real hair, you guys are gonna have to search for this one. It's hard. Yeah, and I did forget because I've been watching the series. And trust me when I say I don't stop watching these series. Because the first time when I saw Sight One Punch Man series, it was so good. It's so good. Okay, scarf. 3,876. Shirt 3,083. Sleeves 9,232. Pants 1. I forgot about the shoes. It might be hard for me to look for them, so just let me know if you guys find the shoes, because trust me, the shoes are hard to find. Okay, cape 2. I think you guys new. I see new people subscribing to my channel and watching my videos, and they probably don't know what real back hair is in these tutorials. So yeah, back hair 1200 and 490. Eyes 78. Belt 75. Looks like eyebrows 48. I've been keeping it away. I don't know why. I'm just so busy trying to get this finished so I can complete the One Punch Man series. Okay. Face AC1 200 and 572. That's for nose. Mouth 1200 and 308. Head AC 19. Head AC1 19. Pupils 999. Yep, and you're finished. So here's the color for hair. Here's the color for skin. Here's the color for shirt, pants, sleeves, head AC, head AC1, belt, cape. Yep, you're finished.